Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck's powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, power windows, locks, and mirrors. As well, we got your folding mirrors, drivability dial with push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel as well. Column shifter with push-button ignition. A nice large touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Integrated chiller braking system. Auto stop start. USB ports. Truck has an all black interior as well. Dual glove box with locking bottom. And we have our black leather heated and ventilated seating with Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 6.2-liter plaque on the front fender. We do have the 2-inch lift up front, signature for the AT4. Coming to the front, a color-matched grille, red tow hooks, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way to the back again here. You have LED lights in the mirrors, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the AT4, a color matched rear bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, a leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, a solid rear window with defrost and a solid headliner there as well. No sunroof. We have extra cutouts for headroom, LED lighting, USB ports there as well, and rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.